Over time, even the strongest relationships can lose a bit of spark. Work stress, parenting, financial worries, or just daily routines can make couples drift apart emotionally or physically. But intimacy isn't lost forever. It can be rebuilt with patience, intention, and effort. True intimacy is not just about physical closeness. It's about emotional connection, trust, and the joy of rediscovering each other again. Here's how to rekindle that beautiful bond and bring warmth back into your marriage. First, start with emotional reconnection. Before physical intimacy, focus on emotional closeness. Talk more, laugh together, and share your thoughts openly. Ask about each other's dreams, fears, or daily experiences. Sometimes, a simple conversation at night can reignite feelings of closeness you thought were gone. Make time for each other. Busy schedules can kill connection. Set aside regular us time. No phones, no work, no distractions. Go on a walk, cook dinner together, or enjoy a movie night. Consistency shows that your relationship still matters and deserves priority. Express love through small gestures. You don't need grand surprises. Small, thoughtful acts make a big difference. Leave a sweet note, send a loving message, or simply hold hands. These small actions remind your partner that you still care deeply. Communicate your needs honestly. It's okay to talk about what feels missing or what you both desire emotionally and physically. Approach these talks with kindness, not criticism. Use gentle language like, "I miss how we used to," or "I'd love if we could." Open communication is the key to healing disconnection. Be affectionate daily. Touch is powerful. A hug in the morning, a kiss before bed, or a simple hand on the shoulder strengthens bonds. These physical gestures communicate love. Even when words fall short, try new things together. Routine can make a relationship feel stale. Spice things up by exploring something new. Try a hobby, travel somewhere different, or even take a dance class together. Shared experiences create fresh memories and rekindle excitement. Forgive and let go of resentment. Past mistakes can create emotional walls. Rebuilding intimacy requires forgiveness, not forgetting, but choosing to move forward. Focus on the present and the love you're rebuilding rather than old wounds. Compliment and reaffirm your partner. Everyone wants to feel desired and appreciated. Tell your partner what you still find attractive: their kindness, intelligence, or smile. Compliments rebuild confidence and remind both of you of the beauty that brought you together. Be patient. Reconnection takes time. Don't expect overnight magic. Rebuilding intimacy is a journey that needs consistency and care. Celebrate every small step forward: a warm hug, a deeper conversation, or a shared laugh. Marriage thrives when both partners nurture it daily. Intimacy fades only when ignored, but when it's cared for, it grows even stronger with time.